Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to draw different things. Start off by drawing these two circular shapes, then add two lines underneath each of them. Add different sets of ears for each of them as well, and then add eyes for both of them. Add a cute little snout along with a smile. Now add the arms and the legs. One will be a cat and the other one will be a bunny. Add bushy little tails for both in different shapes. Add whiskers for the cat and then add blush for the bunny as such. Next, take a bottle cap and make the circular shape out of it. Then add the shape of a 6 and then a 1 right underneath it. Add another line and then these will be the feet. Connect the two of them together. Now on the top, fill in the eyes, a cute little snout as well as the ears. Now add a bushy tail to the back as well. After you're done with this, add the markings on the face. Next, we'll start off by drawing the belly of a dinosaur, then draw on the head, add the back tail as well, add the eyes to it, and then afterwards add a cute little smile as well. Draw on the back of this dinosaur, add the arms, and then afterwards add the multiple lines that you find on the belly. Next, we'll start off by drawing a circular shape, and then on top of the circular shape, add another circular shape right beside. Add ears to the top, add a bushy little tail, add arms in the front as such, and then add a leg at the back. Now, add the big eyes in the front. We'll be drawing a panda. So after this, add a cute little snout and a smile and color this in. Next, we'll start off by writing this P and then darken it at the back portion of it as well. Begin to color it in as such, and then once you're done with this, add the eyes to it and then add a smile to it as well. Add the back of a dinosaur and then afterwards add little detailing to it such as polka dots all around. Next, start off by adding this 3 and then add a larger one behind it and then add 2 more smaller ones in front of it. Join each of them together and then you would have made a fish. Add a curved line to it connecting each of them and then add the eyes in the front and then add the scales at the back as well. Add bubbles in the front. Next, start off by drawing a straight line and then add these semicircular shapes. On top of this, add another one. Add the ears to the top as well, add the little snout, and after which, you will add the eyes. Once you are done with this, add the snout and a cute little smile to it as well. Color this in brown and white accordingly once you are done with it all. Next, take your orange marker, add the base to it, and then add the shape of a bee on top of it as such. Now begin to slowly color it in, and then once you do, then add the ear at the front. Add the shape of another ear at the back, add a bushy tail at the back, or you may also add a long one. Now using a black marker, add the eyes, add a little snout as well as a nose. Add whiskers on either side, then add a darker shade of orange for the markings on the body. Add these 2 curved lines and then add a flat line at the base. Add the ears at the top, draw the rest of the body, and then add the legs as well. Now add a bushy tail at the back, add eyes in the front, and then a cute little smile at the front. Add a heart at the back as well, and then begin to color this in pink and red accordingly. Next, we'll start off by drawing the shape of a 7. Underneath it, draw the shape of a 2, and then connect this using the shape of an opposite 3. Afterwards, draw the arm as such, and then draw the feet. Add an eye in the front, and then add a long tail at the back. Now add the whiskers on either end of it. Start off by drawing this ovular shape and then add the tail at the back. Once you're done with this, add the head in the front as well. Then add the eyes in the front and then add the little snout as well. Add the whiskers on either side. Start off by drawing an E, then draw an M at the top and a W at the bottom. Add another W on the side and then afterwards begin to connect each of the parts. You will be drawing a pig. Add an eye in the front and then add a tail at the back as well to your pig. Afterwards, add some blush. Thank you for watching.